Hi guys, Sophia here, My Great Challenge. Today is the day. It's November 5th. It's election day, actually. I'm off today. It's the day I winterize the garden. And I'm going to do as much cleaning as I can. I gotta rake everything, cut down, bag, but I definitely have to clean up the whole yard, including the vegetable garden, basically winterize the whole thing. So I'm gonna work about 4 hours. I'm gonna do this in the style I've done the other videos before, which is going to be a lot of ambiance noise, less talking. So for those of you who don't like me talking, please watch. You'll enjoy it with music and all of this stuff, only because I got 4 hours. I need to get it done. Why do I have 4 hours? Because after this I gotta go downstairs and process my Etsy for the week, which for you was yesterday. Let me get started. I'm gonna give you a quick pan and then I'm just gonna do it. All right, so I have a confession to make. I still didn't do anything with them cabbage. I really didn't do much gardening this year. I've been very busy with projects inside the house, so I haven't spent as much time as I would have wanted in the garden this year. So I think it shows. I don't know if you can see the back. The chef is going to enjoy 4 hours in the yard with me. I gotta clean up all of this and the vegetable garden. You know, it's not producing anything. I may have a couple of vegetables left. I'll pick that up, and everything else is gonna have to go. Cherry tomatoes are staying because I still have a lot of green ones. I have some green ones over there. I may bring them inside and have them mature on their own. And that's about it, right? If I have time, I'll do the front as well. I doubt it, but you never know. So let's get started from back to front. I have this section cleaned out. I still have to bring in the leaf blower, but this is clean. I am now tackling this area. that was a lot of cutting. Look at all the stuff I got a bag now. But it's all clean. It was a lot. I got all the mints over there, all of the asters, the daisies, valerian, St. John's wort, fig tree, not touching. Oh, I got more figs. Oh, hold on. I bet you this one is good. These are like the last fig. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a fig. In case you're wondering, the fig tree quadruple in size this year. This is a Boston fig tree. It's supposed to, I mean, eventually it's going to have bigger figs. I had a lot of small ones this year, but this is the first time it really gives me a lot of figs. Usually I get 3, 4. It's about what, 4 years, 5 years? The Boston fig tree is one of those that you can actually keep in cold climate. So in the past I would cover it. I don't think I have to cover it this year. The branches at the bottom look really solid. So what I'm going to do is cut all of this in pieces and bag it. Realistic here today. There's no way I'm finishing the whole thing. It's already 3 o'clock. Okay, these are the neighbors. All I'm going to be able to do is this backyard. I'm not going to bore you with more gardening video, so I'll finish the rest behind the scene. Alright, so the cabbage experiment worked. I planted them way too late, but this is an area that has a lot of shade. And I left them here pretty much all summer long. And I got cabbage. So guess what? No, no, don't eat the cabbage, Rashid. I'm gonna make cabbage soup. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours, and this is about as much as I will do today. It was a lot. Every time I look at something, I see something else that needs to be done, but it's more or less ready for winter. I mean, you know, there's still going to be some stuff that needs to be cut and cleaned, and with all those trees that you see, it's not like it's the last time I am raking leaves. This guy stayed out for 4 hours, which is good for him. And you probably saw me do a lot of mechanical weeding. I told you that the neighborhood got invaded by crabgrass, and we treated the lawn about a month and a half ago. So you can see, right? Pretty much dead. It's all crabgrass. In the spring, I'll come in, I'll do a major thatch, and we'll start over. I want to get ahead of it, but yeah, it destroyed the whole lawn. It was very hot and very dry, and that's what happens. Okay, so let me say goodbye because I am wiped out, and no, I didn't get a chance to do any of this. Whew. But it was a good workout. I'll say that. Isn't this little spot really nice? It's about 4:30, I think, or 4 o'clock. 3:45. Okay. Almost 4 hours. I'm done for today. A thumbs up if you liked it. Obviously, I gotta do my nails now. I'm gonna have lunch because I haven't had lunch yet. Scott and I are gonna eat something, and then I'm going downstairs to process Etsy. My back hurts, so definitely taking in a leave. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe right here. I probably won't have another gardening video. I don't know, we'll see. maybe I'll leave the vegetable garden for Mom and I when she comes, because you know she's a gardener and I know she's going to want to scratch dirt, so I don't want to do too much that there's nothing left to do. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.